Chapter 3. Sa Chapter 3 po natin, this is the research methodology. Dito po, napakahalaga nito. Ano yung research design? Sources of data, participants of the study, data gathering procedure, treatment and analysis of data, ethical consideration. In our case po, ang ginamit nating research design is phenomenological. Okay, what is phenomenological? As stated po last time, diniscuss po natin ito, is by Moustakas 1994 as cited by Creswell 2005, which was focused less on the interpretation of the researchers, more on description of the experiences of the participants. Sources of data, we have the 5 rice farmers. Sa Carmona, Cavite po ito. Ano pa yung mga sources natin? Mga online journals. Meron po tayong mga database na pwede kong mapag-searchan yan. Thesis, periodicals, review, 5 to 25 individuals who have all experience to the phenomena. Will consist of 5 farmers, as I said, and ang gagamitin po natin is utilizing purposeful criterion sampling. Purposeful criterion sampling, we have the criteria and the purpose kung bakit siya. Okay, rice farmers sila lahat sa lugar na yon. Gumagamit sila ng teknolohiya. We have the instrumentation and validation na itatanong doon sa tao. So sa pagtatanong naman, it could be open-ended.